This video will show you how to set up always on display on Samsung Galaxy phones so you can easily view the clock, notifications and essential information even when your screen is locked. So open the settings applications, scroll down until you find lock screen or wallpaper and style depending on your model and software version. Tap it, then select always on display and switch it on. Once enabled, your phone will immediately start showing useful information even while the screen is locked, making it easier to stay updated without unlocking your device. To control how AOD appears, tap When to Show. You can choose Tap to Show, where the display appears only when you touch the screen. Show always keeps it visible at all times, while Show as scheduled lets you set specific start and end hours. If you want better battery performance, select Show for new notifications so it only activates when alerts arrive. Next, go into Clock Style to customize the look of your display. You can choose between digital or analog clock designs, adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to match your preference. On many Samsung devices, you can also add personal touches like photos, GIFs, or Bitmoji backgrounds. Under the notifications option, make sure the toggle is enabled so app icons and alerts properly appear on your lock screen. Also, keep in mind that always on display can slightly increase battery usage. Using power saving mode may temporarily disable it. You can also adjust brightness or scheduling to balance convenience and battery life. On some models, you may even double tap the clock area to quickly access related lock screen settings. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more easy smartphone guides.